Hi everyone, my name is Oljas. Welcome back to my channel. This is my second report video for Beta Career, and in this video I will talk about how I implemented the authentication to this project. I will explain the process step by step, from creating and logging and the registration pages, and to adding form validation, connections to API, and securing private routes. And so let's start. The first step I was working on was creating the login and the registration pages. These are the entry points for users. On the registration page, new users can create an account by entering information such as their name, email address, and password. The login page is intended for users who already have an account. I've tried to make these pages as simple and clear as possible, because if they confuse it, user can leave without even trying the app. And after creating these pages, I focused on validating the form. This may seem like minor detail, but it's actually very important for both usability and security. For example, I added checks to make sure that the email field contains a valid email address and the password meets certain requirements such as minimum length and the number of characters. This prevents registration error and helps ensure accounting security. Then I connected to the API. When a user submits a login or registration form, the data must be sent to the server. The server checks if the information is correct. If it's incorrect, and it sends back an error message. But if everything is correct, the server generates an authentication token or session that confirms that the user is logged in. This step is really important because it ensures smooth and secure collaboration between the interface and the backend. Of course, authentication is not just about logging in. I also worked on protecting private routes. Any application has pages that should only be accessible to registered users, such as the profile pages or dashboard. I have set it up so that before accessing these routes, the application checks if the user has been authenticated. If not, they are redirected back to the login pages. This way, only authorized users can see confidential information. As a result, I created a full-fledged authentication system, from the user interfaces and the form validation to connecting to the API and protecting the private role. This process has taught me how to combine user-friendly design with reliable protection, and to be honest, authentication is a must-have feature for almost every real-world application. So learning how to do it correctly is a very valuable skill. Thank you so much for watching this video.